Hello and welcome to the XANALYS Link Explorer 5.2 training course in association with IntelligenceAnalysisTrain.com. I'm your course tutor, Steve Berry. Before we can commence with the course, there are some required materials we will need. These are in the form of PDF files which can be downloaded from the training site. The first is the course book. This will help you with the coursework. The second are handouts. These are named Link Explorer News, Agenda, Green International, Minutes of Meeting, Derek Wilson, Rainbow Limited and Red Limited. There is also an executable file by the name of Training Files. This file should be executed after Link Explorer has been installed. It will install the required training files in the XANALYS folder. So you must ensure that the Link Explorer 5.2 program is on your computer. If it's a dongle version, the dongle is installed. If it's an evaluation version, the evaluation is authorized for use. Then you run this executable file and it will put the files on for you. Course contents. I will introduce you to the Link Explorer database. I will show you how to enter data and how to formulate basic queries. A query is basically a question of the database. I will show you how to put constraints on those queries and how to compound the constraints. That is to say, we will ask specific questions and hopefully get specific answers, as a result of which you will be able to produce charts and reports. We will use various styles which will enhance our printing. I will also show you how to perform analysis and transactional analysis. There are additional features contained within 5.2 over previous versions. If you are familiar with these, you will see the new features. I will also show you how to operate Chart Viewer. So what is Link Explorer? It is a unique visualization by query method. It's used to analyze complex scenarios with unprecedented speed. Users can generate intelligence by simply asking questions, and the answers are displayed in easy-to-read charts with colourful icons. You will be able to uncover links among objects, that is, people, places and activities. You will be able to analyze an unlimited amount of data from a wide range of sources, and it can be tailored to meet your unique demands. The Link Explorer visualization. Here we can see a simple sample of what can be produced from the database, just looking at accounts with relations to persons. It can transform the raw data into a rich visual model. You can see these particular accounts and you can see how the links are summarized. Another way we can do this, we can look at the analysis strategy. That is to say, the intelligence process. Data is collected, it is evaluated and it is collated. It can be collated within this database or on a completely separate database where Link Explorer can actually attach and extract the information. Then, using Explorer, you can describe in chart format what the information actually is. This will enable you to analyze, come to a conclusion or hypothesis, and then again, using the software, you will be able to disseminate and present your results and conclusions. Simple objects and classes that you may find. We have got people, locations and phones. We have also accounts, events and organizations. Again, you can see vehicles, goods and other items, numerous other items that can be picked from the database. Quite simply, we can show links. Here we have a nominal who is linked to an address. This nominal is also linked to a residential telephone line and shown as the owner of a company. We can move on from that to a business associate and then again to a friend. Very simple link analysis. Taking the step a little bit further, the database holds all the objects and it also holds all the links between those objects. So a query on a nominal and then exploring that nominal can produce data like this. We have a nominal Stevens linked to an address which he shares with his wife. From there we can see that Stevens has supplied Jones. This drug sale was done on the 25th of September 1992 and witnessed by an unknown person. We can also see that Ann Stevens is linked to a telephone. This telephone receives and makes calls from other phones on a network. Simple visualization. This could be contained in numerous documents. It is now here in one chart. If we wish, we can also add new objects and links. We can change the information in the attributes. We can export the information about the objects and links, and we can make charts from the selected objects and links. The actual icons that you can see for such as Stevens, Jones and Ann Stevens, you can even show these with photographs of the persons you are speaking about if necessary. Likewise with the locations. The program is very versatile in this regard. So I've talked enough now. Let's actually go to the program itself and I'll show you how it works live.